Before we learn how to delete a post, I have a point of correction. In the previous video, I said that this is the convention when updating a post. I made a mistake. That is not the case. When updating a post, you don't provide this action. So it should be like this. Then save. This should not break your code. Your code should work as before. But this is the convention. So when we start working with resource controllers, this is how it should look like. So with that said, let's see how we can delete a post. So I'll go to blog.blade. Then here I have my form that I'm using to delete. And so here I'll provide the method as post. But when I hit the server, I don't want to use post, I want to use delete. So I'll say at method, delete. Then I'll protect this form from CSRF attack. So I'll say at CSRF. Then I'll come here and I'll provide the route that I want to send my delete request. So I'll come and say here route. Then I'll give it a name of blog.delete. So let's go ahead and create that route. So I'll come here and I'll copy this. And before doing that, let's go back here and let's pass the post that we want to delete. The post, and that will give us the ID. So I'll come here and I'll paste this. Then I'll say the method is delete. Then when you go to blog post, blog, then what do we call this, the route parameter. When you go to the route parameter, then the method that we want to call is delete. So I'll change this to delete. Save. Let's go ahead and create this method in the controller. So I'll come here, I'll copy this, then this is delete, and I'll use route model binding to grab the post. Then I don't want to return any view, so here I'll just come and say take the post and delete it. And after deleting it, I'll take this, return, redirect back to the same page and just tell me post deleted successfully, and save. Then to the same page, I'll go to edit and I will grab the key of the session that I want to output, go to blog and put that where I want. I want it to be, let's see where we can place it. Let's place it below all blog posts. So I'll come here and I'll paste it here, then save, and let's see if that is working. Save. So go back, refresh, delete, and yes, it's working. Post deleted successfully, and we no longer have that post. That's it for this lesson. If this video has been of any help to you, kindly consider supporting my work by subscribing to this channel, leaving a like and a comment. Cheers.